Hey everyone, today we're gonna help you with your TikTok messages are not being sent or aren't being received. What can you do about that? Well, first of all, when you click on me and you click right next to it to inbox and you click on the top little arrow on the top right over here, that's your inbox. You can check all your messages. So, for example, if you've messaged somebody and they haven't received your message and it isn't appearing at all without saying anything, like for example, this message isn't being received by the other person because they're not following me and they're not my friends, for example. Those are normal reasons, but if your messages aren't being received and don't show up at all, is for the wrong reasons, then what you must do first is go to your apps, find TikTok, and force stop it. That will pretty much stop the app, and when you start it again, it will be restarted. It will boot up from the start, and then you can check if that's fixed. If it's not, what you can do is go to me, go to the top right and click on three dots, and scroll a bit down, and click on free up space. And here you can clear the downloads and the cache that if you've accumulated and that TikTok pretty much picks up along your browsing. Those can cause some problems as well. And as a final solution, you can click report a problem, wait for it to load, and find if there is a problem, the problem that you have, if it's already existing. If not, you can submit a query by your own from here to the top right. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. See you next time and like and subscribe if you did. Thank you.